just put all 4 screws in that end there, Ben. And what we do, get the other end, Martin, please.
Yeah.
End, not door. End.
That's been so bad.
That's correct, that's correct. Right. Once again, it's got B for B. I mean, just sort of lift it up, mate. You have to lift it up or lift one part of it up to get it on properly. But it goes on pretty easy with these blocks. Remember, we must put them blocks down first to put the unit on. Once again, you hold that line, don't fall off. 4 screws. Nice, tight screws. Right, if you get me the division now, please.
Okay, Bill.
Here you go. That's all 4 there. Next one is the division. Notice how the holes all along there, line up the holes along there, and where you've only got 2 holes on this side, made up with 2 holes on this side. It's marked top, and slot that into again, once again into the ton. And these ones you're going to have to put on by hand, unless you've got a special designed electric gun. This is quite an awkward job, but now they've been screwed in once, it'll make life a bit easier for you when you actually come to fit them up. Right, that's that. Next thing we put on is the top. Into the end. Go down, Martin, please, and get your groove in. And line the division up at the same time. Is it put his end out enough there? Yep. And line all the tongues up, they're going all nice and easy. Flush with the front, everywhere. And all that means you have to do a little tap here and there. That's the right one. One to get me a stool quickly, Martin, please. Notice that all the numbers do line up, and the alphabet, the letters go with the letters, and the other units numbered up, so there's hopefully no mistakes. Just make sure when you do this one up, you try and get it flush there, so Mark, if you come around and hold this flush there. Yeah?
Go on.
And once again, that's 4 screws along there as well. Right, we'll go over to that side now. If you can get round the front again. see C, C, C there, all lined up. And then you put the screws in the top for your division. That's good. 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 Now we'll put the backs in. To do the backs, what we do is slide the blocks each right over the other side, like so. Right. This is probably more of the trickier part of the job. You notice the holes that go across there are to go into the bottom of the actual, or the top of the bottom part of the unit, shall I say. Shape, they'll go in like that. Yeah, if you get the other one there, mine. They just go into this groove here. Very simple. Martin gets that one in. Is it the right way around? Yeah. A little bit of shape.
There we go.
It's in. And pull these two out. Notice that's why we've left the block sticking out. You go like that. And then hopefully, as I said, it's probably the trickier part of the job.